Hi, I'm Sean Powers, and this is your Linux Journal tech tip for the day.
Today I'm going to show you how to edit your fstab file, or fstab as I like to call it, just because, well, that's what it looks like. But before we do that, I need to install this thing. I'm going to mount Windows Share, so I need to install SMBFS. You'll find this in your repository most likely, but once that's installed, you'll be able to mount Windows shares using command line tools. Now we can do it from the command line using mount, but what I want to show you is if you edit this fstab file, you can put, here's the way that you need to enter stuff into here. I don't know what's happening there. There, okay. This is the format you use for a Windows share. The first field is a share location, then the mount point, then what type of file system. Now, it used to be SMBFS, but now we want to use CIFS, so Common Internet File System. Anyway, add that, then the options, which are going to be guest and auto mount. Auto is default. And then the last two fields, the two zeros, that's more complicated than we're going to get into for this tech tip, but it's safe to put 0 and 0 for those last two fields right now. Anyway, you enter that. You need to make sure that you have that directory that you set for the mount point, and you need to make sure that it's empty because it can only mount to an empty folder. So anyway, then we reboot the computer. Reboot, let it start up. And when it starts up, you should see that it auto-mounted that folder as the guest user, because that was one of the options. And sure enough, there it is. Server is mounted right there on my desktop. And that's it, the fstab file.
For more tips like these, don't forget to stop by linuxjournal.com. See you there.